Okay, dear students, wish a very good afternoon to all of you. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good
Good
afternoon,
afternoon.
ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Yes, a very warm welcome in this 1119 Contemporary Indian Education. Our class, we should start now because only 2 minutes left and 81 attendees are enough to attend this class also. Okay, fine. So in the last class, we have finished this one unit second, social realities in Indian society and education. First, we have started and we have also finished that particular one portion, rich cultural heritage, and second one portion, it is also finished last time, diversity in Indian society, and we have done too much discussion based on this diversity in Indian society. We have also seen that the meaning of this diversity also. Diversity means differences. Okay, and we have also seen too many examples of this diversity in education regarding cultures and dresses wise and languages wise, even regions, religions wise also, and even climate 1 and 2 wise also. Okay, so we have seen this one, the diversity in Indian society. Now today we are going to learn this, the third portion of this unit second. One part is also there, one part is left. uh, Inequality and marginalization. Inequality and marginalization. With this one, our first part, mean first point will be over. Okay, so inequality and marginalization, we should start now, I think. Okay. Yes. Uh, Before start my class, this one, inequality and marginalization. First of all, I think you are very well aware about this terminology, inequality. Can you tell me this one? What do you mean by this inequality? Then we can start. Inequality and marginalization. What do you mean about this inequality? Yes. Do you know about this terminology, inequality?
Ma'am, when a person does not have equal access to the resources.
Okay. Okay, fine. Yes, anyone else? What do you understand about this inequality? See, inequality can be in terms of many, but inequality, general meaning, what do you mean by that?
Inequality means discrimination.
Discrimination.
Discrimination, okay, yes. Yes, what else? Yes. Do you want to say something? Drashti? Hello? Drashti, if you want to say something, then you may say, otherwise you can mute yourself. Yes, anybody want to say something regarding inequality?
Yes, can be also said as, for example, there is inequality in society.
विभिन्नता.
We can say that जो like certain rights जो है वो कुछ like it is given to the stronger sections of the society या फिर जिनकी power rich है. So in that terms it can be there. Basically मतलब discrimination either in the form of caste, creed, or religion or status.
Okay, okay, Drashti, you are also right because we are not able to listen very clearly whatever you have said. Yes, Kruti, you want to say something? Kruti, Kruti.
Yes, ma'am. I only
Yes,
said right.
yes. Your voice is not clear.
Yes, ma'am. Am I audible?
You are audible, but your voice is not clear. Some
Your
disturbance
voice
is.
is not clear, Kruti.
Yes, yes. Some disturbance is also there. Maybe network issue is also there. Yes, Kus Deya, you want to say something?
No, ma'am, I just informed Kruti that her voice was not clearly audible.
Okay, fine, fine. Okay, so whatever you have said regarding this inequality, basically, generally, you have also said that yes, inequality means generally in a very layman language, we can also say that it's a discrimination. Okay, whatever the rights are there, as I think Drashti has, yes, yes, Drashti has already talked about these. Whatever the rights we should accept or we should also allot to the people also, but actually we cannot describe or we cannot allot properly in a such manner. Okay, so that is also called inequality, है ना? सबको जो rights मिलने चाहिए वो नहीं मिल रहे हैं. Okay, even whatever the
violate होते हैं तब. When the
sorry.
when the rights are violated, people are discriminated and फिर
Yes.
inequality start होती है.
Yes, exactly, exactly. है ना? So जो मतलब जो सबको in very layman language we can also say that whatever the rights are there सबको नहीं मिल रहे हैं, that is also called inequality. Okay, so basically see, I'm also going to share my screen and we will see one by one what do you mean by inequality and marginalization also. Yes. See, basically I think my screen is visible to you all. Yes?
Yes,
On
ma'am.
Okay, fine. Okay, thank you very much. So basically, we can also see that inequality in as per the United Nations also inequality as the state of not being equal. है ना? सबको equally chance नहीं मिल रहा है. Whether it is related with some status, whether it is related with some rights or opportunities also. जो सबको opportunity मिलनी चाहिए, सबको जो equally status या rights मिलने चाहिए, that are not being equal, okay, that are not being allotted equally. Okay, so basically see, as per these United Nations, they have described this inequality and the simple meaning is that the state of not being equal, especially in status, rights and opportunity. That is the simple meaning. Okay, that is given by United Nations. And generally see, if we see that inequality, it would be very broad term, and if we see that it will take too much time, but we will just go in a very briefly manner in a short while. Fine. So inequality, we will also see that in a very brief manner. It would be broadly classified into only two parts. Only in two parts. Keep in mind all these things. Listen carefully. In two parts only we are classified into the two parts only, the inequality. Okay, first one is economic inequality and second one is social inequality. Okay, as you know that economic is basically related with some condition of the country. Okay, the status of the country, it is related with some basically financial related something is there, then it is also related with some money and all. Okay, so economic inequality basically consists of all these things, money and financial decisions are also there, then status of the country and all. Okay, so economic inequality. And second one is social inequality. As you know that society consists of all these human beings. Okay, so if they are not having the particularly equally rights are not there, then that is also called the social inequality. Okay, so basically if we see that these broad two classifications are there, one was economic and second one was social inequality. Fine. So now we will also see that both these categories, they are dependent to each other. They are intertwined. Intertwined means basically શું કહેવાય ગુજરાતીમાં ગૂંથાયેલું, है ને એની સાથે એકબીજા સાથે ગૂંથાયેલું છે ફાઇન એન્ડ inequality of one type of affects the inequality in one another also. So they are dependent. We can also say that in a simple layman language, they are dependent on each other. Economic inequality and social inequality, they are totally dependent on each other, because whatever the changes are there in the society, it would be also affected on economic condition also, and whatever the conditions are changed or any modifications are there by the politicians also, by any higher authority also, it would be also affected on society. Okay, so we can also say that they are intertwined to each other. And one example is also given. Yes, social inequality due to gender have large impact on income of women. Okay, 1 second. Okay, fine. So as we have also discussed, they are dependent on each other, and basically see, in our social inequality, basically we are thinking about the discrimination about the gender wise. Okay, gender includes both male and female, but basically we are not giving the equal opportunity to females also. Okay, basically, but right now the women empowerment is also going on. Okay, so we cannot say that very clearly also. So social inequality due to this gender have large impact on income of women, and in patriarchal society. Okay, patriarchal society, you know very well that Purush Pradhan Samaj. Okay, Purush Pradhan Samaj, in that particular society, we are more focusing on only on gents, only on male, only on boys. Okay, so due to this reason, maybe the gender inequality is also there, and some of the aspects are also there. Their education level, their income level, their status level, all these things are also associated with that also. Okay, so due to these reason, the gender discrimination is also seen, and particularly in patriarchal societies, we are more focusing on only on the boys. Okay, so this is the general concept of this inequality. Now we will also see this one in the next slide. We will see this one, economic inequality. Economic inequality, yes, next one. Economic inequalities basically consist of too many things, as you have seen that on the screen. Economic standard depends on fertility of land, even resources available, and manpower management also. Okay, manpower management is also consist of this manpower resources also. Okay, basically if you see that manpower resources are very less. Okay, जैसे कि आप अभी भी देखो कि अभी भी आप कोई भी इंस्टीट्यूशन, भी कॉलेज में भी अभी जाओ तो स्टिल सम वैकेंसीज आर आल्सो देयर ड्यू टू दिस द शॉर्टेज ऑफ दिस मैन पावर रिसोर्सेज. जो जितना कैपेबल होना चाहिए, जितना एलिजिबल होना चाहिए, द मैन पावर रिसोर्सेज आर नॉट अवेलेबल. ओके, सो ड्यू टू दिस मैनेजमेंट, मिसमैनेजमेंट, वी कैन ऑल्सो से दैट मिसमैनेजमेंट इज ऑल्सो देयर अबाउट दिस मैन पावर रिसोर्सेज ऑल्सो, एंड इवन नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज, एज वी हैव सीन दैट इन अवर एनवायरमेंटल एजुकेशन ऑल्सो, the natural resources are day by day, they are declining. Okay, so we are not properly used these natural resources also, whatever the resources are available, है ना. So these resources are not properly available. And if we talk about the fertility of land wise also, है ना, India is also consist of too many states, but if you see that fertility of land wise, it is not equally divided. It is not equally divided. If you see that particular area wise, the status wise also, the land wise also, their land wise also, it is not equally divided, है ना. जैसे particular उसका कुछ square area या फिर कुछ कितना भी है, वो fertility of land, it is not being divided equally. Okay, so all these things also comes under this economic standard, and they are totally dependent on each other, how we will use that particular resources, how we use the particular manpower resources also. If mismanagement is also there, it would be also affect on our economical standards. Okay, that's why the economic inequality is also seen. The another thing is also there, all the states are not equal, है ना. जैसे आप देखो, if you compare with one another state is also there. If you compare with our गुजरात, है ना, गुजरात के साथ आप कोई भी स्टेट का भी कंपैरिजन ले लो, जैसे पर्टिकुलर है ना कि પેલું કહેવાય ને કે ગુજરાત એ બહુ સમૃદ્ધ રાજ્ય છે. ગુજરાત એ બહુ સમૃદ્ધ રાજ્ય છે compared to the another states, compared to other states. If you compare with other states in particularly India, है ना कि जैसे कि बहुत सारे लोग अदर स्टेट में से गुजरात में जैसे कि कुछ इनकम लेने के लिए या फिर उनका स्टेटस बढ़ाने के लिए दे आर ऑल्सो स्टेइंग इन दिस गुजरात, है ना. सो ऑल द स्टेट्स आर नॉट इक्वल. इफ यू कंपेयर विद महाराष्ट्र ऑल्सो, इफ यू कंपेयर विद बिहार ऑल्सो, इफ यू कंपेयर विद आंध्र प्रदेश ऑल्सो, दे आर नॉट इक्वल. ओके, जैसे बहुत सारे स्टेट्स हैं इन पर्टिकुलरली इन अवर इंडिया ऑल्सो, दे आर नॉट इक्वल. सो इनइक्वालिटी इज ऑल्सो सीन हियर. Then third one, distribution of wealth is not properly done. And if you compare the wealth with each other, जैसे कि if we talk about the wealth wise, है ना कि जैसे for example if you take some examples of our richest temple in our India, है ना, आप जानते हो कौन से richest temple है, बहुत rich है temples में particularly in India. Do you know about that?
Tirupati Balaji.
Yes, exactly. Tirupati Balaji.
Tirupati Balaji.
Yes. What else?
Amritsar, Punjab.
Yes, Golden Temple. It's a Punjab. It is in Punjab. Yes. What
Shirdi
else?
Sai Baba.
Shirdi Sai Baba. Yes. Yes, yes. Hmm. Anything else? Sorry? Hello?
Ambaji Mandir.
Okay, Ambaji Mandir is also there.
Ujjain.
Okay. Ujjain, yes.
Somnath
Kedarnath.
Temple.
Yes. Somnath Temple is also there. Yes.
I think Meenakshi Temple also.
Yes, Meenakshi Temple at Madurai also. Yes, exactly. है ना?
When
Even
सब टेम्पल रिच होते हैं, पैसे तो हर टेम्पल में डालते हैं सब.
हाँ, but these people, whatever you are seeing, these temples are very richest in particularly India country, है ना. और यही मैं बात करने की कोशिश कर रही हूँ कि particularly if we use that particular money from that particular temple also, है ना, इंडिया में कोई poor रहेगा ही नहीं, I think, है ना. सो दिस इज माय पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू कि अगर ये सब जो इतने करोड़ों में जो इनकम हो रही है, इफ वी आर डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिंग अमॉन्ग द पुअर पीपल ऑल्सो, दे विल नॉट become poor by themselves also in a future also, but they are not using obviously. Fine. So if we talk about these wealth wise also, Swaminarayan Temple at Delhi, then as you also said that Tirupati Balaji Temple, then even Padmanath Swami Temple at Tiruvananthapuram, then even Somnath Temple in our Gujarat also, Jagannath Temple in Puri, then Sai Baba Temple, even Golden Temple at Amritsar also, and even Meenakshi Temple, as you also say that Madurai also, and even Siddhivinayak Temple at Mumbai. These are the richest temple in our India particularly, है ना. इसमें करोड़ों की जो भी हम जो भी बोलते हैं दान दक्षिणा जो भी हम करते हैं, है ना, but they are also counting in crores. Fine. So basically if we use that particular money at an equal level, then nobody will become poor in future also. Fine. Yes, many programs and plans for removing the hindrances, educational programs, as we already talk about these also, ki yes, many programs are there and even plans are also there, 5-year plans are also there, but we are not properly used that. Fine. Some people do not have daily bread, and some have too much money that do not know how to spend it. Particularly, see, if we talk about this एग्जाम्पल कि कई लोग हमारे इंडिया में ऐसे भी है जो पूरे दिन काम करने के बाद एक टाइम का भी उनको खाना नहीं मिलता, है ना. सो डेली ब्रेड इज एक दिन का खाना मीन्स एक टाइम का भी खाना नहीं मिलता, या फिर कई लोग कुछ ऐसा वैसा खा के ही सो जाते हैं, फाइन। और कई लोग इतना कमाते हैं या इतना मनी इनकम जनरेट करते हैं कि हाउ टू स्पेंड दिस पर्टिकुलर मनी दे डोंट नो, है ना। तो मीन्स यू कैन सी दैट दीज पीपल एंड दीज पीपल ऑल्सो, कि इनके पास कितना पैसा है और इनके पास खाने के लिए भी मतलब पैसा नहीं है पूरे दिन मेहनत करने के बाद। सो इनइक्वालिटी इज ऑल्सो सीन अमॉन्ग देमसेल्व्स, ओके। So with these too many reasons are there, too many aspects are also there as a part of these economic inequalities. If we see that all these things, due to these reasons, the national integration will not be possible, है ना। So we should try to remove these existing economic inequalities, and if we remove all these things, and if we distribute very equally, then we can also make some integration in our nationality, okay. So basically economic inequalities are also there. There are some reasons are also there, you have also seen on the screen. Then there are some aspects are also there, whatever we have discussed, they are not being distributed equally. And we can also say that yes, due to these reasons only, the national integration is not seen, okay. So we should try to remove that, fine. So with this, economic inequality is over. Now moving further, the next slide, social inequality. Social disparities are also there. Social disparity, as you have seen that there are too many communities are there, too many castes are also there, even sometimes within the community also. Some disputes, some disparities are also seen within our society, and different communities are also there. You have also seen that कि yes, है ना, जब भी हम पहले किसी आदमी को या किसी को भी मिलते हैं तो पहले हम उसका कास्ट, उसका बैकग्राउंड, उसकी कम्युनिटी, we need to try to identify this one first, I think, है ना। तो हम उसकी कास्ट पे ही पहले जाते हैं कि ये कौन सी कास्ट का है, फाइन। देन वी कैन डिस्कस द फर्दर मैटर, fine. So basically some disputes are also there, so social inequality is also seen within this community और community जो same community है उसके बीच में भी कई बार disputes होते हैं, even different castes are also there, different ethnicities are also there. So within these communities also, within these caste wise also, they are also making some disputes also, okay. They are quarreling to each other, fine. So social inequalities are also there, even due to caste system. Second point, economic and social inequalities are also facing, है ना, different due to this caste system. Caste basically caste system में ही ऐसा होता है ना कि कई कास्ट बहुत ऊंची कास्ट होती है ना, कई लोग ऐसे बोलते हैं कि ये लोग बहुत ऊंची कास्ट के हैं, ये बहुत लोअर स्टैंडर्ड के हैं, फाइन. सो बेसिकली वी आर ऑल्सो कंपेयरिंग विथ ईच अदर, we are also comparing with each other, and we are also creating some of the disputes among ourselves, fine. Now some people think they are separate society. कई लोग ऐसा ही सोचते हैं कि हमारी अलग ही एक सोसाइटी होनी चाहिए, हमारा अलग ही एक फेस्टिवल होना चाहिए, और उसमें रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशंस जो भी फंक्शंस है वो हमारी तरफ से ही होना चाहिए, ऐसा ही वो लोग सोचते हैं, okay. So due to this reason maybe the disputes may be created, okay. So they are making their own society, they are making their own rules and regulations, and they are also dominating to other caste wise also, fine. The next point is also there some regions having their unique traditions, food habits, dress and languages. See, if I talk about this point with one example, है ना, जैसे कि पर्टिकुलर इफ यू गो एट रामेश्वरम, है ना, रामेश्वरम बेसिकली आप देखो सब केरला वही सब स्टेट में सब आता है, फाइन. सो बेसिकली दे आर ऑल्सो स्टिक विद दैट पर्टिकुलर ट्रेडिशन वाइज ऑल्सो. जैसे कि हमने उसमें भी देख लिया कि डाइवर्सिटी ऑफ ड्रेसेस, है ना, कि बेसिकली कुर्ता, कमीज, लुंगी, इवन टोपी, है ना. सो वी आर वेयरिंग दिस टाइप ऑफ कॉमन clothing. Okay, but their food habit is totally different from each other. Their tradition is totally different from each other. Even dress and languages wise also. जैसे particular some regions are also having their unique dress and languages. है ना कि जैसे particular हमारी राष्ट्रभाषा कौन सी है? Do you know about that? हमारी राष्ट्रभाषा कौन सी है?
Hindi.
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 Basically Hindi. Yes, exactly. Hindi. And see, generally we know that three types of languages are there. Basically English, then हमारी राष्ट्रभाषा जो हिंदी है वो, and third one is the local language, state wise. Fine, but here I have seen that in Rameswaram particularly, as I need to purchase something, so at that time if I say in Hindi, they don't know about this Hindi. Although the nation language is also in Hindi also. वो हमारी राष्ट्रभाषा हिंदी होने की वजह बावजूद भी they don't know about this Hindi, है ना? And they only stick on that particular language, their local language, that is English, है ना? And they use only the English language. हम अगर इंग्लिश में बोलेंगे तभी वो समझ पाएंगे, otherwise not. है ना कि हम मुझे ये खरीदना है या ये मुझे परचेस करना है, they don't know about this Hindi and they only stick on their particular traditions. Okay, so at the time I have seen that, and even I have also done some 3 or 4 times experience also कि अगर हम general भी talk करना चाहिए, at that time they only stick on English language only, and they only know about this English language, they don't know about this Hindi. वो हमें हिंदी हमें कुछ पता नहीं, just like that. This is just one of the example कि some of the states or some of the regions, कई लोग उनकी लैंग्वेज, उनकी फूड हैबिट, उनकी ड्रेस, उनकी ट्रेडिशंस, उनकी कस्टम्स उसी पे ही स्टक रहते हैं. फाइन, एंड दे डोंट नो अबाउट दिस अदर लैंग्वेजेस एंड ऑल. Fine. The land disputes are also there, as we have also seen that as a part of economic inequalities also, even language problem is also there. So due to these reasons, which pose the hurdles for this national integration. So if we see that all these reasons are also available in our society, due to these reasons and due to these aspects, we cannot make some integration among our nation also. So with this one, the inequalities portion is over. We have seen in a very brief manner social and economic inequalities. I think till this slide, I think everybody is clear with this now.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes.
fine. Yeah, okay, fine. So if any doubt is not there, then we should go further in the next slide. So before going into the next slide, I want to ask something regarding one question. As I already talked with you, we are going to learn today itself inequality and marginalization, right? Inequality, we have seen that concept also, and even 2 types of inequalities in a broad manner. We have also seen some of the aspects and reasons also, okay, regarding this social and economic inequality. But and I think and I hope that all of you are clear with this also. Now, before starting our next slide, I want to ask one question. What do you mean by marginalization? Have you heard this word margin? Margin आपने word कहाँ पे सुना है?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes? If you know that, then give me the answer, please.
मार्जिनल डिमांड और सप्लाई जहाँ पे मर्ज होता है वहाँ पे हम मार्जिनल बोलते हैं, मार्जिनल
Okay.
यूटिलिटी. और
Fine.
मैम एक चीज इंक्लूड करने है कि इनइक्वालिटी में जो आपने बोला है इक्वालिटी, इकोनॉमिक इनइक्वालिटी, तो वहाँ पे जीडीपी और एनडीपी का कॉन्सेप्ट नहीं आएगा.
हाँ, ये भी हम include कर. See, Mariam, you are saying Mariam, na? Okay, fine.
Yes, ma'am.
See, as I already talked. This is just the, sorry, this is just the to you. You can add something if you feel that, as I already talked with you, these are some of the important aspects which will be sharing with you. और अगर आपको कुछ ऐसा लगता है, even if you feel that I want to add some examples also regarding that also, you may also add some examples. And if you feel that yes, these points are not enough, I want to add something, you obviously you can also add something. Okay, so this is just the idea which by which anybody can refer this PowerPoint presentation. और देखो आप कोई भी PowerPoint presentation में आप देख लो, everything is not मेंशन इन अ वेरी डिटेल मैनर, सब कुछ डिटेल मैनर में मेंशन नहीं किया है ना, ओनली द पॉइंट्स आर देयर. सो यू नीड टू डिस्क्राइब बाय योरसेल्फ by giving some examples, and if you want to also add something, you may also do that also. Fine. So as a part of this economical, yes, exactly, GDP can be also added. Yes, economic inequalities. Yes. Okay. So yes.
मैम मार्जिनलाइजेशन मीन्स बीइंग कॉर्नर्ड, मतलब पीपल को जो हम कॉर्नर कर देते हैं, दैट इज मार्जिनलाइजेशन इन सोशल इनइक्वालिटी कॉन्टेक्स्ट, राइट?
Yes, 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 exactly. है ना, marginalization
Ma'am.
means general. हाँ, yes. बोलो.
Ma'am, I think marginalization is denying of the fundamental rights which citizens get. If they are denied of their fundamental rights, then it may lead to social or economic inequality.
Very right, very right. है ना, you are also right. Fine. So marginalization. Anybody want to say something regarding marginalization? If you have any idea, you may also share with us. Yes, Drashti, you want to say something? Okay, okay, my dear students. I think I should clarify with this marginalization. See, if we talk about this general example, है ना, एक मैं एग्जांपल देती हूँ. जैसे कि पर्टिकुलर आपने नोटबुक देखा होगा, नोटबुक में एक पेज है. फाइन. सो पेज में आपने પેલું ગુજરાતીમાં કહે ને હાસ્યો પાડેલો હોય છે, બરાબર? હાસ્યમાં આપણે બેઝિકલી શું લખીએ છીએ? આપણે એક પેજમાં હાસ્ય હોય છે, ફૂલ સ્કેપમાં એક પેજમાં હાસ્ય હોય છે, કે નોટ લો તો નોટમાં પણ હાસ્ય હોય છે. સો વોટ ડુ મીન બાય ધેટ? હાસ્યમાં આપણે પર્ટિક્યુલરલી શું લખીએ છીએ?
Digits.
Digits, yes. Serial number, yes. What
Yes.
else?
Point કરીએ છીએ.
Sorry?
Point out. We do point out.
Yes. Points or bullets we can do. Yes.
Bullet
Shruti.
marking.
Sorry?
बुलेट मार्किंग करते हैं ना.
बुलेट मार्किंग, यस एक्ઝેક્ટલી. है ना, जो हम હાસ્યમાં જે આપણે ગુજરાતીમાં હાસ્યો કહેવાય, આઈ ડોન્ટ નો અબાઉટ ધીસ હિન્દી, બટ ગુજરાતીમાં હાસ્યો કહેવાય, અને હાસ્યમાં બેઝિકલી આપણે ડિજિટ્સ લખીએ છીએ. ફાઇન. અને એમાં બેઝિકલી વી કેન ઓલ્સો રાઇટ ડાઉન સમ સિરિયલ નંબર્સ 1, 2, 3 and 4, and we can also do some bullets and points and something like that. Okay, so we used to do like that also. તો બેઝિકલી આપણે એવું કહીએ ને કે જે એટલું જરૂર ના હોય, मीन्स सीरियल नंबर है ना, इतना बहुत बेसिक नहीं है, एंड दिस इज नॉट कम्स इनटू दिस पर्टिकुलर जनरल टेक्स्ट, है ना. जनरल टेक्स्ट में उसको इंक्लूड हम नहीं करेंगे, बट वी आर ऑल्सो बीइंग आउटसाइड, है ना, उसको हम आउटसाइड थोड़ा निकाल देते हैं, या फिर उसको बुलेट्स वगैरह है, इट वुड बी ऑल्सो गिविंग सम डायरेक्शंस ऑल्सो. Okay, so generally we can also say that this is one example ki we can also relate with that also ki yes, marginalization means we are putting them into the margin. પેલું એક જણ કોણે કીધું કે કોર્નરમાં એમને મૂકીએ છે, something like that, है ना. So basically marginalization means we are putting them outside from the basic functions or basic activity. Okay, so there are so many margin peoples are there, marginalized peoples are also there, marginalized groups are also there, and as we have discussed with that this particular concept, yes, this is called the marginalization, and marginalized groups are also there, and they are having too many problems are there. Okay, so basically we will see that one, marginalization. Now we will see the definition which is given, and you can just go through it. This is one definition which you can also find out from the internet itself also. You can also go for the encyclopedia. Encyclopedia में भी बहुत सारा कुछ है. Wikipedia में भी बहुत सारा कुछ है. Fine. So this one is the basically the meaning of these marginalized groups, and marginalization is also there. And generally, if we see that this last one, Peter Leonard defines this marginality as being outside the mainstream of productive activity or reproductive activity. Any type of activities can be done by the human being. They are not being considered, or we can also say that they are being outside from the mainstream. जो mainstream के जो लोग भी है, जो भी activity करते हैं, उनको उनसे बाहर निकालना है. Okay, and we are putting them outside. We are not more focusing on them. है ना? Outside निकालना means ऐसा नहीं है कि हम उसको बाहर ही निकाल देते हैं. Fine, but we are not more focusing on these type of people, and their problems are also there. And as per these UNESCO also, they have also given one definition also, but we will not go through it. But only the thing is that this is more important. Pierre Leonard defines this marginality means basically being outside from the mainstream of productive activity or social reproductive activity. Huh? Yes. Anybody want to say something? Yes. Okay. Okay, fine, my dear. Yes. Now we can go further. Yes, some of the characteristics are also there for these marginalized group. As I already talked with you, some of the marginalized groups are also there. They are having too many problems are also there. And as we have also discussed in the earlier slides, there are too many castes are also there, too many ethnicity peoples are also there, and they are also making their own rules. They are also making their own regulations. They are also celebrating their own festivals also. They are making their own society. Okay, so some of the castes are also available in our community, in our society also, and they are also dominating to each other. है ना, कि हमारी कास्ट इससे ऊंची है, तो we should also dominate to this group, and so group is also there. Okay, so they are having their own cultural traits also. So if you see that these characteristics, these are the general characteristics of this marginalized group, because the subordination is also there, some discrimination is also there. The majority, those people who are marginalized people, who comes into the marginalized group, they are also suffering from that discrimination also. है ना, discrimination भी होता है उनके अंदर, और subordination is also there, because it's a one type of hierarchy is also there. If the higher authority is also there, then they are also coming down and down. Means subordination is also there. उनको सबका सुनना ही पड़ता है. Okay, and they are discriminating from the main groups also. Okay, they have their own cultural traits also, and they are also dominating to another group also, obviously, and they are also making some common burdens to another groups also. Fine, they have their own identity. उनकी एक अलग ही identity होती है. And even their rules, as I already talked with you, yes, some social rules are also there, and some of the marginalized groups are having not enough their own rules. Okay, and they have basically, if you see that the fifth point, they have a tendency to marry within that particular group. है ना, कई लोग ऐसा होते हैं ना कि हमारी कास्ट के ये बच्चे हैं, तो हमारी कास्ट में ही उनके मैरिज होने चाहिए, अदरवाइज नॉट. अगर आजकल के जमाने में तो मॉडर्न है बहुत, कई लोग अदर कास्ट में भी बहुत जाते हैं कि ये मेरी कास्ट है और ये दूसरी कास्ट है, तो दे कैन मैरी विथ ईच अदर. बट these marginalized groups are also having this type of tendency ki yes, we should marry within our particular group wise also. So these are the general characteristics of this marginalized group. Okay, now yes, coming towards the next, we should start with this one, various marginalized groups. As I already talked with you, there are too many marginalized groups are there, and they are having some problems also. Okay, you may go through these slides also. वो आप पढ़ लेना अपनी तरह से. दिस इज जस्ट द मटेरियल विथ आई एम शेयरिंग विथ यू एंड यू मे ऑल्सो टेक वन स्क्रीनशॉट. बट before that, I think we should also make some interaction among us also, है ना. जैसे कि आप, मैं क्वेश्चन पूछती हूँ उसके बारे में आप आंसर दो कि yes, first one point is also there, women is also comes under the marginalized group. How we can put the women into the marginalized group? How we can say that they are also discriminated? How we can say that? What are the reasons for that? Can you explain me anything, any points or something, whatever the ideas you have? How we can put them?
Education and
Yes, education. How we can explain this point education wise?
मैम कुछ लोग ऐसा सोचते हैं ना कि आफ्टर मैरिज तो गर्ल्स को घर ही संभालना होता है, तो क्या करेंगे पढ़ के, ऐसा
Yes.
सब.
Yes, exactly. है ना कि कई लोग ऐसा सोचते हैं. Even if we talk about the educated people wise also, they are not spending much money behind that particular education of women also. है ना, कई लोग ऐसा भी सोचते हैं कि भाई मैं क्यों इतना, अगर वो उनको कुछ सेल्फ फाइनेंस कोटा में या फिर मैनेजमेंट कोटा में भी अगर उनको एडमिशन मिलता है या फिर 15 या 20 लाख रुपया उनको स्पेंड करना है, एंड दे आर ऑल्सो सेइंग दैट कि भाई मैं क्यों इतने पैसे खर्चूं, क्योंकि मैं अगर 15 लाख या 20 लाख स्पेंड कर दूं तो मुझे क्या काम में आएगा आफ्टर हर मैरिज, वो तो उसके हस्बैंड को ही काम आएगा. सो दिस टाइप ऑफ थिंकिंग इज स्टिल गोइंग ऑन इन अवर सोसाइटी, है ना. सो इफ वी टॉक अबाउट दिस एजुकेशन वाइज, व्हाट एल्स, अनदर पॉइंट, हाउ वी कैन डिस्क्रिमिनेट? यस
मैम मतलब हमारे देश में जब पुरुष प्रधान देश है तो वहां पे ऐसी भी थिंकिंग होती है ना कि लाइक अगर इसके एजुकेशन में मैंने ज्यादा मनी इन्वेस्ट कर दिया तो आगे चल के अगर वो मेरे से भी ज्यादा प्रगति करेगी तो वो आई थिंक वो देख नहीं पाएंगे, और इसी की वजह से भी वो लड़की को एजुकेशन नहीं देते. और कुछ
Yes.
कुछ रूढ़िचुस्त समाज और वो सब उन लोगों की नैरो माइंडेड थिंकिंग की वजह से भी लड़कियां कहीं ना कहीं पीछे रही जाती है. कैन वी से दैट?
yes, yes, exactly, है ना. ड्यू टू दिस द रीजन ऑफ जेलसी, है ना. कई बार आप ऐसा बोलते हो ना कि
ये एक
मेरे
और
से
रीजन है.
हाँ,
सिर्फ मेल जेलेसी नहीं होती है, फीमेल जेलेसी भी होती है. फीमेल खुद दूसरी फीमेल को नहीं जाने देती, सास है वो
Yes.
अपनी बहू को नहीं पढ़ने देती, मम्मी है वो खुद बच्ची को ऐसे करते हैं.
yes,
तो
yes,
ऑलवेज मेल ही नहीं होते, मेल एंड फीमेल बोथ आर इक्वली. अगर
yes,
बोथ साथ में होते तो फिर ये प्रॉब्लम ही नहीं होती.
yes, yes, exactly, है ना. what
और
else? बहुत
इसीलिए फिर वुमेन राइट्स बाहर आए. अगर वुमेन राइट्स का यही मेन मोटो था, जैसे
yes,
कि हमारी जो मेन है हंसा मेहता जी और दो लोग थे, उन्होंने कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में पूरा फीमेल राइट्स उन्होंने स्टार्ट किया था कि व्हाई दिस थिंग्स आर हैपनिंग.
yes, yes, exactly, है ना. बहुत सारे पॉइंट है. जैसे आप देखो कि दे आर ऑल्सो डिस्क्रिमिनेटेड टू ईच अदर इवन ड्यू टू सम रीजंस ऑल्सो कि भाई ये हमसे ये जेलसी होती है, ये मेरे से आगे बढ़ जाएगी, है ना. પેલું ગુજરાતીમાં કહે ને કે even in the staff also they are શું કહેવાય ગુજરાતીમાં કે એકબીજાના ટાટિયા ખેંચે, just like that, है ना. this is just type of language they are using
ma'am.
कि yes, yes. So they cannot see that कि why they are going further and further. उसका क्यों इतना status बढ़ रहा है, उसका क्यों इतना qualification बढ़ रहा है, something like that. Yes, anybody want to say something?
यस मैम. मैम
Yes.
सेकंड हम ये भी बोल सकते हैं कि काफी बार मतलब वुमेन्स को कुछ आइडिया प्रेजेंट करना है या फिर घर के मैटर में कुछ बोलना भी है, कुछ डिसीजन वगैरह भी, तो वो जनरली वो ही मतलब बोलते हैं कि मैन ओनली हैज द राइट टू टेक डिसीजंस, तो शी
Yes.
कैन नॉट इवन प्रेजेंट हर आइडियाज, नीदर हर ओपिनियंस और डिसीजंस.
Yes, yes, है ना. इवन उनके पास जो क्रिएटिव आइडिया होता है फिर भी वो एक्सेप्ट नहीं होता because of these reason. हाँ, yes, exactly. What else? बोलो. एजुकेशन
मैम ऐसा भी होता है ना कि ये तो शादी करके चली जाएगी तो फिर हम पैसा मतलब उसके ऊपर इन्वेस्ट करके कोई फायदा नहीं है, क्योंकि फायदा तो ससुराल वालों को ही होगा. ये भी एक थिंकिंग चलती है.
yes, ये भी एक थिंकिंग है. Even if we talk about the food habit wise also, है ना, फूड में भी कई बार डिस्क्रिमिनेशन होता है. आपने कुछ ऑब्जर्व किया है फूड देने में बिटवीन दिस मेल एंड फीमेल ऑल्सो, इवन बॉय एंड गर्ल ऑल्सो? कुछ देखा है
पहले
जैसे
यस मैम.
पापा को खिलाएगी, फिर भाई को खिलाएगी, फिर खुद खाएगी वुमन. तो उनका न्यूट्रिशन तो होता ही नहीं है, उनके पास तो आता ही नहीं है न्यूट्रिशन.
yes
लास्ट में वुमेन खाती है.
Yes, so they are also facing these malnutritive problems also, right? Yes, if we talk about this food wise also, we have also seen the one reason. And if we talk about the even if you have also observed that among surrounding also, toys wise also, have you observed discrimination है boys और
में और तो क्या.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ बोलो, if you know that. Yes.
किचन का गिफ्ट और बार्बी की डॉल, दो चीज दे देते हैं लड़कियों को, बात हो गई खत्म.
Yes. Even they are also giving one type of gift like doll, है ना, डॉल है तो फिर लड़की को ही देना है. और इवन जो कार है, कार वगैरह है ना, तो वो लड़के को ही देना है. Even if you have also observed that something like at the time of borning, है ना, जब उनका जन्म होता है, have you observed something?
Yes, ma'am. कलर
Yes,
वाइज
ma'am.
भी होता है कि बॉयज के लिए ब्लू कलर, हाँ, ब्लू
मैम
कलर
वो
डिसाइड
टाइम
किया जाता है, और गर्ल्स के
लड़की
लिए
के लिए
पिंक कलर डिसाइड किया जाता है.
ओके
मैम मिठाई का
ओके फाइन.
डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन.
ओके वेरी गुड.
मैम एक और बेसिक एग्जांपल है
हाँ
मैम, जैसे
Yes.
जॉब टाइमिंग, जैसे कोई गर्ल्स अगर जॉब कर रही है तो मैं इंडस्ट्री वगैरह में अगर जाते हैं तो वहाँ 12 घंटे जो होते हैं वो मेल कैंडिडेट के लिए होता है जॉब, और जो 8 घंटे होते हैं वो फीमेल कैंडिडेट के लिए होता है. तो यहाँ पे भी इनइक्वालिटी जारी रहती है.
Yes,
मैम ये
yes.
चीज रिमूव हो गई है. मैम ये चीज रिमूव हो गई है.
हम्म
8 आवर्स एंड 12 आवर्स, ये जो चीज थी वो मतलब स्टार्टिंग फर्स्ट लॉ में आया था, और जो फर्स्ट लॉ है कब का रिमूव हो चुका है. अब ना
Yes.
वॉट एवर टाइम यू वांट टू वर्क,
Yes. है ना,
लॉ
see,
रिमूव हो गया है.
यस, जैसे हम देखा जाए, सी ड्यू टू दिस सम ऑफ द रीजन ऑल्सो, जैसे मैंने बोला था कि बॉर्न, जब लड़की या लड़के का बॉर्न होता है तो लड़की होती है तो सब या जलेबी वगैरह कुछ डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करते हैं, और लड़का होता है तो कुछ पेड़े वेड़े सब वो करते हैं. फाइन. सो दिस टाइप ऑफ डिस्क्रिमिनेशन इफ यू हैव आल्सो ऑब्जर्व अमंग योरसेल्फ or among in your surroundings also, if you have also observed that, then even toys wise also, मैंने जैसे बोला कि डॉल और कार में और समथिंग लाइक दैट. इवन जैसे ये किसी ने बोला कि कुछ जॉब वगैरह में भी ये इंडस्ट्री में ही जाएगी और ये इसमें ही जाएगा. और इवन इफ वी टॉक अबाउट एजुकेशन वाइज ऑल्सो, कि कई बार कई ऐसे भी फैमिली में मेंटालिटी होती है कि जैसे कि इफ यू कंपेयर विद दिस डॉक्टरिंग मींस मेडिकल एंड इंजीनियरिंग ऑल्सो, तो मेडिकल में वही जाएगा और इंजीनियरिंग में बॉय ही जाएगा, समथिंग लाइक दैट. ऐसी ही कुछ मेंटालिटी होती है. आई डोंट नो व्हाट इज द एक्चुअल रीजन, बट दे आर थिंकिंग जस्ट लाइक दैट, even though the modernization is also there in our society, है ना. जैसे कि हम स्मार्टफोन तो यूज कर रहे हैं, बट वी आर नॉट थिंकिंग मॉडर्न, है ना. हमारी थिंकिंग इतनी मॉडर्न नहीं है. भले हम स्मार्ट बन जाए, हमारे कपड़े भी स्मार्ट हो जाए, कुछ भी हो जाए, बट आवर थिंकिंग इज नॉट बीइंग स्मार्ट. फाइन. व्हाट इज द रीजन? आई डोंट नो about this one. So too much discriminations are also seen among these our people also, among these our caste wise also, among these our community wise also. And basically if we focus about these women, they are totally excluded. Even job के बारे में भी अगर हम बोले ना, तो कई लोगों की ऐसी भी, इवन एम्प्लॉयर्स की भी ऐसी कुछ मेंटालिटी होती है कि भाई ये लड़की है तो इसको इतनी सैलरी दे दो, चलेगा, लड़का है तो इसको इतनी ही मिलनी चाहिए, समथिंग लाइक दैट. आई डोंट नो कि अबाउट वेदर दे विल बी फोकसिंग ऑन देयर स्किल्स आल्सो और समथिंग लाइक दैट. I don't know. Okay, so there are too many reasons are there, and whatever you have seen on the screen, this is just the concept of these women. You can, even if you get some chance or opportunity to write down in a described manner, in a descriptive manner, you can write down so many examples as a part of this women. Okay, see, with this, I think our time is also over, but too many slides are still remaining. Don't worry, in the next time we will also see this one. Yes, don't leave the meeting, please. I think network issue is also there. I cannot be able to download the attendance sheet also. One second. One second. Okay, today is 14. Fine. Thank you very much, students. Dear students, we will also see this one, the next slide in the next class, and we will also continue with this. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.